Hi everybody, welcome to English Easy Lessons, Class 8 Unit 1, Reading A, The Tattered Blanket. And this is N. Sanjeev Reddy, SCA English, ZPHS Ambaripet, Katalapur Mandal, Jaityal District. Here she is the writer, Kamala Das, famous Malayalam writer. Kamala Das was a famous Malayalam poet. She was also a short story writer and novelist. She wrote many novels and short stories also. And she wrote in English and Malayalam. Kamala Das received many awards for her literary works in English and Malayalam. She received ASEAN Poetry Prize, ASEAN World Prize, Sahitya Akademi Award, and Vailar Ramavarma Sahitya Award. So in this lesson, we are going to know how the family relations are affected because of different reasons, and the importance of family relations, and our responsibility in a family, and what are the factors that influence the relationship among the family members. How can they be affected by the different reasons? Let us see them. So this is the scene. An old woman was sitting in an armchair, and her daughter Kamala, she was sitting in the veranda. An old woman was sitting in an armchair. Her daughter Kamala was sitting in the veranda. Kamala was a widow. And then there came a car and stopped in front of the gate. A man, Gopi, this old woman's son, came in a car. He got down at the main gate. Then the old woman said to Kamala,
Kamala, there is somebody at the gate. Somebody came in a car.
Then Kamala went to the gate. Kamala got up reluctantly and went to the gate. She looked at the person very carefully. She saw a bald, fat, middle aged man walking in through the gate. She recognized him that he was Gopi, her brother. He is working in Delhi as an officer. Then she said in surprise. She was surprised to see Gopi at this time. So she said, "Oh, Gopi, why this sudden unexpected visit?"
Kamala, who is it?
Gopi, there was a meeting in Tiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back.
Who? Kamala, who is it?
Amma, it's me, Gopi. Gopi bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks so that he can give clear picture of his face so that she can recognize him, he thought. Amma, it's me, Gopi said.
Gopi. Kamala, I can't believe it.
Amma thought that Gopi was studying in school, so she said,
Has his school closed for vacation?
then Kamala said to Gopi about the health of Amma. Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody, but sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then She asks me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala, and the kids. What is the point of telling her that you have not written for a year? Poor thing. I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. She said like this because Gopi had not written any letter for almost a year. Let us know the meanings of some words and expressions. Arrive, come, arrive someplace. Gopi arrived at his mother's house. Gopi came to his mother's house. Futile, unsuccessful. Amma made a futile attempt to get up. That means Amma tried to get up, but she could not. Amma made an unsuccessful attempt to get up. When Amma saw the car at the gate, she tried to stand up, but she could not. Amma tried to get up, but she could not get up. Reluctantly, not willing to do something. Kamala reluctantly got up. Actually, Kamala did not want to go to the gate, but when Amma said to Kamala to go and see the person who is there at the gate, she reluctantly got up and went to the gate. Kamala was not willing to get up, but she got up. Kamala did not want to get up, but she got up. Grating, harsh, unpleasant. Kamala said in her grating voice. Kamala said in harsh manner. Kamala said in an unpleasant way. Drop in, visit someone, go to someone's place. Gopi dropped in on his way back to Delhi. Gopi visited his mother on his way back to Delhi. Gopi was going to Delhi from Thiruvananthapuram. On the way, he came to see his mother and sister. So here, a detailed explanation was given for your better understanding. Scare, afraid, fear, worry, frighten. Amma was worried that someone has come. Amma was afraid. She wanted to know about the person. She wanted to know that a person came in car. So she told Kamala to go and see who is that. Awkwardly, anxiety, embarrassingly. Kamala asked awkwardly. Kamala asked embarrassingly. So let us see the important points which we have learnt in this lesson in part 1, the tattered blanket part 1. Kamala and her mother were living in the village. Her brother Gopi was a government officer in Delhi. Gopi went to Thiruvananthapuram. He went to Thiruvananthapuram on office work. When he was going back to Delhi, he came to see his mother and sister. Kamala was annoyed at his sudden visit. Kamala was surprised because for so many days he had not visited them. Amma couldn't recognize Gopi. Kamala told Gopi about Amma's memory and health. Every day Amma asked about letters from Gopi. Gopi had not written letter for a year. Kamala tells Amma that Gopi is writing letters and he is fine. So this is the lesson. We will meet in the part 2. Enjoy the learning. Hope you understand well. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. NSR English Nalla.